This is Marek from Training Academy. I am really glad to welcome you at our today's streams where we will be talking about cryptocurrencies, markets in general. The stream is interactive. You can ask any question during our sharing, and we will try to explain or we will share with you our insight or our opinion in line with our strategies and Horizon X strategy and many others. By the way, fast interaction, who we are. We are a team of professional traders. We trade cryptocurrencies, obviously, stocks, futures, and Forex. Also, as you may know, we regularly upload our valuable content to our social media channels like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Definitely check us there if you don't know us. You will find there our valuable content, meaning uh, daily scenarios on Forex, one of our great traders here. Also, we share with you our educative content there. But what is really interesting for you is real trades with real money and real results. We share with you our trades, what we are trading, why we are trading this, our timings, and so on. And you can go more deeply into our strategy and how professional traders trade. Okay. Just that was fast interaction. I believe that you must now have an idea how we are operating, and definitely you must stay here because we will go through the various crypto markets and we will share with you the best opportunities you can take with us. You can trade with us, or at least you can learn from our video stream. So definitely stay here. Also, if you are interested more about our strategy, just smash link below the video of the stream. And after filling the form, you will be invited to our webinar, which will be much more in detail in regards of our strategy, and we will go deeply to our system, and we will share with you one of our the most profitable patterns, which is easy to trade, and even for beginner, and you will find this very valuable, and actually at least you can make some money from that. Definitely stay here. Okay. Also, if you like this video, please share it, the stream with anybody you would find or you think who would find this valuable. Also, please hit like button there, and please don't forget to subscribe us on our social media channels. So let's switch to our screen and let's talk about our strategy. First of all, we need to check cryptocurrency market states in the moment, and you see that we have this blue line which represent market altcoin capitalization, and we have this orange line here which represent Bitcoin capitalization. We need to check capitalization between the markets because they are correlating between us. There is correlation between them, and you need to, uh, let's say, select the market which is likely to go with your favor. So in this case, now it's Bitcoin. Let's look at capitalization levels and what we are expecting. In the moment, the capitalization of Bitcoin is 164 billion dollars. Uh, I use for this tool for let's say technical analysis of the capitalization. This tool you see here, it's much better for let's say drawing scenario for you. The moment Bitcoin is so capitalization of Bitcoin is going to this important resistance level, and you see also that Bitcoin capitalization is growing a little bit faster, meaning that in general altcoins are beaten up a little bit by this Bitcoin movement, and uh, we see that Bitcoin is rising higher, and actually it was a little bit better to trade Bitcoin in case you are swinger. Of course, there you have many altcoin markets which you can trade in line with this upper movement and which are, let's say, more resistance against Bitcoin up move. In the moment, we are awaiting about the reaction of this important resistance level. You see market react on this level here, here, here. Also now it's testing this level again. What we are expecting, I will share our insight in the chart, on the charts with XBT Bitcoin, it's a swap contract of Bitcoin, and also we will look at some altcoins with which are highly capitalized. If you will have any question during the video or you would like to analyze some specific altcoin, just put your question or the market you would like to analyze on the comment section below video. Okay, as you've seen, this capitalization, capitalization is rising, and what is really interesting is this accumulation volume. It's very similar what happened during the hype, and usually if there is rising volume, meaning that after accumulation, meaning that this is uh, one of the specific of beginning of a new uptrend. So maybe we are just living beginning of new rally of Bitcoin. Definitely check this market, check us, and check our idea, which are regularly updated daily. In, in case of the new situations on the crypto market in general. So as mentioned, we see Bitcoin at this level. We seen that we are about to check it. Also, altcoins. The moment you see that they are we're testing this interesting support level, as you see, also market reacted this here and here. We believe when Bitcoin start consolidating here, which could be probably here, but we will check in the future, altcoin could start to try catch the Bitcoin again with their higher up move. Usually, when we see that when Bitcoin is consolidating, it's really great opportunities to pop the altcoins. Okay, that was in regards of capitalization. As mentioned, the ratio between altcoins and Bitcoin a little bit decreased because because of Bitcoin's faster growth. Let's look at uh, crypto markets. We select free markets as a starting of our scenario, especially for altcoins. I will just switch this off to have more space for our analysis. As you've seen, this go in line a little bit similarly with in our daily scenarios video series. That one of our scenario was this green one. As you see, market react on this key impulsive level. We had also another support, which is like double support with this key level, and we were also counting with this key breakout which didn't happen. It should be also false breakout, of course, but market was able to hold above. Nice opportunity to go with the trend and speculate on this new resistance level, which I will just show you from daily time frame. You see that market reacted in this level uh, several times. Here and here, here and here you see this important level, and actually it's very psychology it's very important number in terms of psychology. $10,000 is a psychological number for people, and let's look how would probably market react on this level in this rally. As we've seen in the moment, we are counting with one of the scenario that there will be bounce of this level. We believe that market needs a little bit pullback and need to recharge before it could be in line with this channel. That market could, let's say, a little bit press it. If there will be squeeze in case of short traders, then yeah, market is able to perform in the end direct breakout, which is, I believe, or we believe in the team, is less probable scenario that market will in the end break this level directly. Uh, Again, we believe that market will consolidate a little bit, and then after accumulation will be able to break out this key level because this is very strong level, and this could be also game changer if market is able to uh, hold above this level. Very interesting, important level. In this case, we are still in position with Bitcoin. We have our take profit around $10,600. As mentioned in previous video, we entered the position when Bitcoin settled down here. As mentioned, when we were in this consolidation, as you remember, we were anticipating that market should in line with our scenario up with higher probability and at least reach this level, which in the end also break it. You see the squeeze here. So similarly, it can happen here, but we've seen again strong exponential growth, and as you see here now, with no correction, so makes sense that market will need some new energy absorption. But Bitcoin is a very shallow market, and again, you don't need big volume to make a move if you compare it Bitcoin with other markets like Forex or stocks market. Okay, I believe that this was really all what we can share in regards of Bitcoin. I'm just checking question, no question so far. So perfect. I believe that you have an idea what we are counting about. We are again going for first profit here, and then we will wait what will happen. Another market I would like to share is also one of higher capitalized market. Let's look just on coin market capitalization, and it's of course Ethereum. Ethereum is uh, second large market in case of cryptocurrencies. If we are talking with a capitalization around 30 billions of dollars the moment. Let's look at the charts, what we've prepared for you, and what our trades ideas are about. Okay. Let's look at the charts from weekly perspective to have, let's say, a bigger overview of the big picture. Market hit its bottom, as you see here, and starting new up move with rotation. You see this rotation that, let's say, the dynamics of the up move is rising a little bit. Now, market went directly to this key impulsive level and trying to grow, trying to grow through this key impulsive level. So we have now at a strong resistance level. In the moment, we still are not thinking about longing the position or longing the market because of this strong important level. And also, if Bitcoin is able to grow in the moment, also it should not have, let's say, rising impact on Ethereum. I think that it will have bad impact. It's actually, that market should bounce from the level back in line with this red scenario. This is the main our scenario in the moment, and we are waiting on Bitcoin, of course, and definitely this should be also really interesting for shorting with a low risk. But really depends on Bitcoin and general sentiment of altcoins at the moment. Again, no longing at the moment because if if Bitcoin will be able to break the important resistance we were talking about, in the end, it should have a negative impact on rising price of Ethereum. More interesting market from a higher capitalized $8 billion. What I like about the Litecoin that now it has really nice, interesting, and really clear technical formation for trading at the moment. Uh, let's look from higher perspective. We've seen this key disbalance level. You see that market reject this price several times here. So really important level here. Also we have this key level. Market is accepting the price above, so which means that we would probably should consolidate here, and market should get back at least to this let's say stabilized price level. I would say it's point of control here, and market should be gravitated to this level as participants would speculate on longs and in line with this uptrend, and also it's like another level where market could test because there is a high liquidity place, but it is low time frame level. If you are an intraday aggressive trader, I would recommend to trade this level, this one, in line with our scenario, first scenario at market. Use this liquidity of these players and bounce back again to this important support. Oh, sorry, it's important resistance level here. Again, really nice risk growth ratio if you compare it to what market in the end offered you. Okay, our scenario is that because we have seen first retest, second retest is a little bit risky. Again, we could see some false breakout here. Okay, I need to use different kind of tools here in the moment. We could see a false breakout here, and after this false breakout, market could use this liquidity again, and you see that in the end we would have also this key reversal level as a support and better risk reward ratio. Just look at the situation from a higher time frame perspective. I just select for our time frame, and let's look at this. And if I put our risk reward ratio to, if we would use this one, we should get a really nice risk ratio around uh, 3.6. If we would speculate at least for point of control testing to stabilize zone to the stabilized zone around $153, we would able to make around risk reward ratio 2.21, and the change is 28%. Really nice opportunities on this market. Definitely check us. Definitely be with us to get updated scenarios you can trade and to adjust your risk specifically for cryptocurrencies markets. So this is all for our insight of the cryptocurrency market. We picked three markets, interesting markets for you, and I hope that you take advantage of our insight, that you will be able to make money with us really easily with our patterns and systems. By the way, if you are interested in our strategy, just smash the link below the webinar, and after filling the form again, you will be invited to our nuances of the patterns to get more edge, more statistical advantage in your favor. Also, if you like our content, please hit the like button there. And if you had any question even after stream, put your question below the video, and we will answer your question as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe us on our social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, where you can find our daily scenarios for Forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, and futures. Also, if you you can find the daily results with real money trades, with real trade scenario. Definitely nice content, which will push your trading to another professional level. So I believe this is all for today. Thank you again for your time, and don't forget to take the best trades on cryptocurrencies markets in line with our strategy. Meanwhile, wish you that.